I'm Jeremy Addo, and we go to the annual Cold Turkey Hockey Tournament as Sylvania Northview was taking on the Patriots from Olentangy Liberty. We pick things up in the first period. Northview in white on the man advantage here. The senior Dougie Carter, who's in a perfect position to give the Wildcats a 1-0 lead. Olentangy Liberty with the opportunity of their own 2-on-1. Isaac Moe with the dish to Shane Flanagan, but it's stoned by senior goalie Tyler Clem to keep it a 1-0 game. But with under 3 minutes to go in the opening period, the Patriots would light the lamp as junior Gabe Schlotterbeck slaps it between the pipes to tie the game at 1. Liberty would add another just 38 seconds later. Eli Bowden's shot would find its way in as the Patriots take a 2-1 lead. The Wildcats would score another power play with a minute to go in the first. It would be the senior Cam Horvath sending it upstairs for the goal. The back and forth first ends in a 2-2 tie. Midway through the second, Northview would go back on top. This shattering hit by David Crandall jars the puck loose. And look at Griffin Meir just throwing the puck on the net and finding the goal to give the Wildcats a 3-2 advantage. 6 minutes later, the Wildcats once again on the prowl here. Crandall to Benny Seals, then back to Crandall, who finishes a beauty of a goal. Northview now up a pair 4-2. The Patriots respond right before the end of the period. Moe, right place, right time, and stuffs it home. Liberty heads into the third down a goal. And in the final period, the Patriots even it up again as Ian Hood capitalizes here. The game would end in a 4-4 stalemate.